guys, with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to bring you guys a trade-in that we've had, being a 2016 Yamaha SX 240. So let's go ahead and start on the exterior, and then we'll get into the inside and check out some of the unique features on this particular boat. But starting off on the exterior, you got a beautiful profile in the water, having your mix of gray and white junk coat above the rub rail, going down and matching up those colors as well. Just gives it an absolute classic Yamaha look on the water, and really just a neutral color all the way around, and really appealing as it's coming into the cove. Now, one thing unique about this particular boat is that we do have an aftermarket tower on this SX 240, okay? So this is a monster tower, super quality. Then you even have the board racks that come with it, and even a bimini top. And then once we get on the inside, I'll show you guys some even more killer features that the SX 240 didn't have on this boat. So come on back to the stern. So back here, I mean, come on, Yamaha does such a great job on having their sandbar friendly swim platform, or a great place where you can load up your boards and get ready for those activities for the day. Great spot back here as you have a lot of cup holders, and you even have some hideaway storage, which is great for some loose items such as life jackets, maybe even some towels. Very good stuff back here. And then you even do have your remote stereo right down here on the swim platform, so it's at a nice easy reach to just grab and change that song or volume when the kids are messing around with the songs a little bit. Last but not least, you also do have a table mount back here too. So if you want to put a table here so you guys can eat some snacks in the cove, or even Yamaha provides some basketball hoops and cool stuff that you can add to the back, so that just adds to the excitement level of the boat. But let's go on to into the interior, talk about this guy a little bit. So, starting off with some of the features on this monster tower, we do have some aftermarket tower speakers, and this is going to add a whole level of excitement to the riders behind this boat. Give everybody the ability to rock and roll whether you're in or out of the boat, and it's just going to be a really cool time to entertain all the passengers and whatnot. But come on further into the interior. So you'll see that this model also features your twin captain's chairs. These are really awesome seats, as you can swivel them 360 degrees around, and you even do have adjustable armrest with an adjustable backrest as well. So comfortability is absolute key here. Then same thing with your captain's chair, except you do have a flip-up bolster for those times that you need to see over that windshield or stand up here while you're coming into dock. So really useful feature there. Now, one thing I want to mention is that this boat does come with the twin 1.8 liter Yamaha high output engines, making right about 180 horsepower apiece. And these guys have right about 125 hours on them, which it just has so much life left to go on this boat. So don't think that you won't have a lot of time on the water, because this thing is just getting broken in. But last but not least, guys, beautiful bow area up here, as you're going to have a sun filler filler cushion up here. Turn this thing into a big sun pad, if you will. So great place for the kids to hang out at. You can even use your little wind jam door to prop this up and keep the kids in their separate little part. Close the windshield up, and they're going to have a great little spot to hang out at. But guys, if you have any further questions on this boat, or maybe even would like to schedule a demo, please just let us know. And again, my name is Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Our number is 803-831-2101.